dark. We need these ponchos. Under the seat.
You ready?
Ready.
Nice, Kiki.
That is not safe. I'm gonna.
Oh my god, these are the worst things.
Oi!
Clear it off. You know that.
What's wrong, Kiki? What is wrong? Oh, this. Sorry, mate.
That's so stupid. What?
Yeah. And basically we go.
Okay, welcome here, guys. We are on our way to Sa Vin. We're in Hà Giang, Vietnam, and I'm your boy, Sweet and Short.
Hi.
There's Kimbo. We've got Mommy Juliet.
Hello.
Hit the road, Jack.
Hey, hit the road. Yeah.
Auntie Susan and Nave Singh standing over here looking
I
pretty.
don't need to go toilet yet.
We will keep you updated how our trip is going. See you soon.
Hit the share.
Enjoy.
Smash the like button.
Boom. Okay, we are here at Nahang Chakma restaurant. We're having coffee. We just stopped here. Let's show you the view. Say hello, hi gang. Hi gang. There we go.
Hello.
Gang, gang.
And gang, gang. And that is the view here at our pit stop. Okay, welcome back. We are here in beautiful, don't know where we are.
Reno is shit.
He's the shittest blogger we've ever come across.
Welcome.
Any comment from you?
He just punched my girlfriend's boob.
And flicks your penis as well, Kira.
Yeah, I don't know who these people are, but welcome. we are going to the flag bowl next. Stay tuned.
Flag bowl.
Boom. Okay, we're live, we're back. We are at the Key Lea Panorama. Just look at that. Beautiful views. Okay, we're back with Hà Giang and we are climbing up a mountain to the Chinese border. Let's see if someone will fall down. Kiki, get your ass up the mountain. Let's go touch the border. Not racing. Are you scared you're gonna get shot?
If we hear shots, we'll report back to your families. You are dead.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
And we made it to China!
Yeah. Is your Zara package here?
No one's here!
To my Chinese followers, I'm really trying to make it to you, but
We can't get there.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I think it's flat.
Soldier here threatened to shoot us for getting too close to the border because we have to have the 5k rule of COVID.
5 kilometer rule.
5 kilometer rule. We didn't hear that, Ma.
You slip of shit.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to the Hà Giang loop. There's Jackals standing there. Let's see what he's doing. Good morning, Kiki. Nave Singh.
Good morning, beautiful people.
Okay, so Yak is gonna tell us today how to tie your bag to your bike.
No pressure, yeah.
No pressure at all. This is what I was born to do. My mum
Show us.
grew me up on the water. We used to have to tie sheets because on the water they're sheets, they're not ropes. This is easy, this is ropes.
You tied sheeps?
You tie sheets on a
Oh,
boat.
sheets.
Sheets to a boat.
Sheets, because
Because I'm from New Zealand.
I thought, yeah. At least you call it.
It's a beautiful accent, by the way.
It is. I would say top 3 sexiest
Top
accents.
3.
After Irish, obviously.
And South African. Looks like.
Now, plenty of room on the seat.
Yeah, that's very important
We're
if
happy
there's
days.
when there's 2 people on the bike. And that's how it's done.
Take 2.
Okay, so we stopped next to the road near the Happiness Road Museum, and this is what you can see.
The road was built by the shedding of sweat and blood of 1,200 local people and more than 1,000 youth volunteers from 16 ethnic groups in 8 provinces. And it took 5 years. 2 million working days digging and moving over 3 million meters cubed of rock.
He's a beautiful reader.
Wow.
Oh jeez, 14 people died making building the road.
Oh, hey. Coffee. Is that where we're going? Xin chào. Oh, banana. Oh, yeah, maybe later.
After the
Hello.
boat trip, let's chill
Yeah.
here for a while and eat, and have a bit of food.
Oh, wow.
Have lunch here.
Oh, why not? It looks like there's some nice stuff here. Look at these chicken kebabs. They look lovely.
Hello, xin chào.
Nice. Yeah.